Hey traders, welcome to the day trading recap for the day trade ideas. Today is the 13th of June. June 2023, that is. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so let's take a look at what we did today. A couple different things. So we had a couple, market was pretty choppy. It was staying within the range right after the CPI, a little bit more on the bullish side. Obviously, after the data came out, we grinded a little bit higher, held up into the FOMC, and I'm thinking, obviously, if we get positive data tomorrow, we're going to get a push higher, a pretty good squeeze, because I think some shorts are stuck in this market. So just wanted to give you my thoughts in regards to the market. I have no idea what happens tomorrow, but everyone's thinking it comes in and they're going to be indicating they're not going to be doing any more interest rate hikes for a little bit here. But we'll see, of course. We'll see what happens. Anywho, let's take a look at what we did today. So we tested a long idea this morning, 4 points on that one. SMCI short after the morning open for 8 points on the downside. MSTR long for 2 points. On that idea, mRNA long for 1 point, DocU long for 1 point, ENPH long for 1 point on all of those ideas. We had some, CXAI long this morning, or this afternoon, for about 30-40 cents. That was not a huge trade by any means, but, something there, I guess, as well. Alto was a flat trade. What else did we do? Some NVIDIA scalp long for 2 points on that one, on this little pop to the upside. That was decent. There was a now long on the 553 area. We actually traded the short for 2 points, and we ended up flipping it long and getting a point on that to the upside, which was okay. Netflix long. This one ended up working into close, which ended up going about 4 or 5 points, which wasn't half bad, and that's pretty much it. On the option side, SPX 4380, 4385 calls legged into this morning for 1300%. And then we also had a bunch of puts to the downside intraday when it did sell off. That was good. 104% on the 4365s. The 4365 calls into close, we got 98% on those. We actually did quite a bit of SPX scalping, which worked out really nice. We had a high hit rate on it, so you can kind of check out here. I will post this later on, all the trades from today, but really high hit rate there on the SPX. And then we had some really nice trades intraday. We did a lot of the smaller cap option plays. So we had a couple beyond the 15 calls for 210%, Nikola 1 calls for 200%, QS 8 calls for 100%. And we had a whole bunch of other scalp trades like Disney, MU overnight. TSM overnight 189% on the 110s, 100% on the 115s. We had Shop overnight for over 100%. Baidu, the 150 calls this morning for about, I think it was like 72%. Baba long this morning for about 33%. And that's pretty much about it. So, all in all, Triple M for about 30%. There's a lot of scalps. IBM long for 33%, so on and so forth. AVGO 40%. And yeah, overall, pretty good stuff. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, FOMC, so it's going to be a busy one. And I expect us to have a pretty good amount of range, up or down. So looking forward to it. Should be a lot of opportunity. You guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. And that's about it, my friends. I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. And any questions, feel free to reach out. SpartanTrading.com. Have a good one.